Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a free Cloudflare CDN on Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into both your Hostinger H panel and your Cloudflare account. Once you're inside Cloudflare, click on Add at the top and select Connect a Domain. Now head back to your Hostinger account and copy your domain name. Go back to Cloudflare and paste it in the domain field. Next, choose Quick Scan for DNS records and click Continue. Cloudflare will show you different plan options, but for this setup, select the free plan. At this stage, Cloudflare will display its name servers, which you'll need to use to replace your current ones on Hostinger. To do that, go back to your Hostinger H panel, click Manage next to your domain name, and then go to the DNS/name servers section. You'll see your existing name servers listed there. Click on Change Name Servers and replace them with the two Cloudflare name servers shown earlier. Start by copying the first Cloudflare name server, paste it into the first field on Hostinger, then copy the second one from Cloudflare and paste it into the second field. Once done, click Save. Now that your name servers are updated, return to Cloudflare and then scroll down and click Change Name Servers Now. After a few moments, Cloudflare will verify the connection and your setup will be complete. And that's it. So that is how you can set up a free Cloudflare CDN on Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.